guys hear the birds? I'm still walking my trail. I'm starting to feel the heat. I'm actually going to go on the long trail here. I can either go straight this way or this way. So I decided to go this way. This is the road of success. Walking into the unexpected. You don't know what's around that corner. All right. Some days you have to take challenges. And they can go in different roads. See, I can go this way, or I can go this way. See, I have choices. So every day you have choices, okay? And you make the best out of your choices, whatever direction you want to go to. And if you're exercising, be creative. Oh, look at that beautiful art somebody made. And these are actually real art, people that actually made. That one's made out of metal. Motivated and dedicated. Motivated and dedicated. Did you know, everyone, walking is good for you? It's never boring if you go to a park like this. Find a really good place where you can have a lovely walk. Here in California, they have like several trails that you can actually walk. There's one in Los Alamitos called the El Dorado Park, and so they have like 5-mile trails that you can follow. You do have to pay $7, I believe, for parking, but that's a really nice trail to walk. But this one is at Stanton Park, where I live. Motivated and dedicated. She's having a really good day. She just decided to get up and go for a walk. And it's the decisions that you make every day. It's up to you how you want to be productive. And I'm not just the only one that want to get up and do things. Right, you want to avoid not doing things, okay? Don't sit on that couch potato and watch TV all day long and feel like miserable because you haven't done anything physical. You got to get up and get that body working. You got to get that workout. All right, you got to get that routine exercise if you want to feel good about yourself mentally, spiritually, and physically. Because you want to condition your body so that you can be the best you can be. Alright? Now God intended you to be the best you can be. Be the best you can be. Be the best you can be. And here's some bleachers. Actually, guys, this is a really big soft baseball. See where people play baseball. It's a baseball field. And across my way is a lot of the Koreans or Thailand people. They love playing tennis. So they are dedicated people. And they have fun. Then you have the mothers that bring their kids here to actually take them to this little swing area, rocket area. And quite of them are up and about, and it's like 8:30 in the morning, 8:30 or 9. You got some kids right over there playing already. And we just started today. This is such a fun day. Mothers take their babies out to do something, some type of activity. What is that, a swing? Oh, that looks fun. Look at that. Be young and about. I'm gonna go on a swing. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's too low. I'm gonna reverse. Hi everyone, I'm on the swing. Oh, what a nice day today. I think when I do this video, I'm going to put some music background so you guys can hear me. Let's switch this. Look, everybody, look at my way. I'm on the swing. Bend that knee. Okay, enough of that swing. Really got something for the little babies too. Oh.
No, Leah, don't stroke him. She's not ready for that yet.
Baby swings. There's a swing I just got off. All right, so let's continue our walk.
Let's go.
Still doing my walk. It's a really cute little playground here for the kids. And this is Stanton Community Park. And I believe I did a craft show here. I don't know when the next event is. Let me check. But everyone, I have a craft show this Sunday at the old German World in Huntington Beach, off Center Drive and Beach Boulevard. Okay. I'm gonna look at the events here. August events. We got movie night for the kids. So it's in Spanish there. They do a lot for the kids here. Community service. Alright. A lot of parenting things with kids, you know. They got some classes here. I actually have the book at home. I don't have it with me, but this little park is a very clean park because the bathroom's really clean too. I'm so surprised with their bathroom. Alright. Now I'm still walking. I'm actually going way around the... I'm going to walk again. You can watch, you can listen to my video. You can watch this video and listen to the music because I hope you guys are liking and enjoying this music that I actually uploaded. And this is music that you can use to monetize your channel. Alright. And if you there's guidelines on YouTube where you can monetize your channel with the type of music that you should play on your videos. There's a link below this video that you can link to, and you have to pay per song, but if you first join, your first song is free. Okay, that was my notification bell. I have a notification bell with the people with Wesley Virgin's YouTube channel program. And I'm actively part in a program, but I haven't been doing any participating. I haven't done any participation. That's what I meant. And right now I'm going back to the bench. Well, back to the steps. And I'm going to walk up the steps again. Let's go back. We're gonna go around one more time. Oh, it's a nice breeze. And see here at Stanton Park, they actually have some workout machines here. A lot of people going on the machines here. Second time around. You can see I walk all the way from here all the way around. There's a baseball field way over there, and I go around those buildings and I just keep going around. Yeah, I keep going around and around. And it's starting to really get hot now. Okay, this time I'm gonna, instead of choosing going that way, I'm gonna go up the hill. This is like a little hill right here. I'm happy that I decided to get up. I'm happy I decided to walk. There's so much benefit just, walking outdoors than going to the gym. Sometimes you go on that treadmill. It's exhausting wearing a mask. Especially, I just can't handle it. I have to be outdoor. See, out here, I can actually take my mask if I want to.